Most people get this wrong when trying to delete their Ibotta account. They uninstall the app and assume their account is gone forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. Deleting the app and deleting your account are two completely different things. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete your Ibotta account in 2026, what you should do before removing it, and a few important things you need to know that could save you time and money. Let's get straight into it. If you want to permanently close your Ibotta account, start by logging into the app using the account you want to delete. Before doing anything else, check your cashback balance and any pending rewards. This is important because once an account is deleted, access to account-related information and rewards may be affected depending on the platform's current policies. For example, John wanted to delete his account immediately. Before doing so, he checked his balance and realized he still had cashback waiting to be redeemed. Taking a few extra minutes helped him avoid losing access to rewards he had already earned. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most users focus only on deleting the account but forget about connected services. If you've linked retailer accounts, payment methods, or other services, it's a good idea to review those connections before proceeding. But here's the problem. Many people can't find the account deletion option because they look in the wrong place. This is where most people fail. Account deletion settings are often located within account management, privacy, or settings sections. Depending on app updates and interface changes, the exact location may vary. Follow the current instructions available inside the app, and carefully review any confirmation messages before proceeding. In a minute, I'll show you one thing you should always do before confirming deletion. After locating the account management section, follow the prompts provided by Ibotta. You may be asked to verify your identity, confirm your decision, or complete additional security steps. Once the request is submitted, review any emails or notifications sent to your registered email address. These messages may contain important information regarding account closure and processing. Now here's where it gets even more important. Before deleting the account, make sure you no longer need access to your transaction history, cashback records, or account information. If there's anything you might need later, review it beforehand. Alex deleted an account without checking previous transactions, and later needed information from an older purchase. Spending a few minutes reviewing your account first can prevent unnecessary headaches later. Let's quickly recap. Log into your account. Check your balance. Review connected services. Locate the account deletion option. Complete any verification steps, and carefully read all confirmation messages before finalizing the process. That's how to delete your Ibotta account in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and troubleshooting guides, and let us know in the comments what other Ibotta questions you'd like answered.